Release the armbar from the staple. Move the armbar to the back of the trap so it hangs over the back of the trap. Apply a small amount of peanut butter, bacon, dry pet food, or nuts to the yellow petal on the trap as shown. Be sure to use a Q-tip, toothpick, or another tool to bait so your scent is not transferred onto the trap. Pull the kill bar back and hold it in place with your thumb. Take the armbar over the kill bar and latch the end of the armbar under the yellow petal. Please take note to the firm and sensitive setting. The trap will be easier to set on the firm side, but not trip as easily. The trap will be more difficult to set on the sensitive side and trip very easily. Place the trap where you've seen signs of rodent activity or along the wall where rodents primarily travel. The end of the trap where the yellow petal is baited should be placed flush against the wall.